Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. To learn new concept, how to make a verbal sentence into nominal sentence. This is not a very difficult topic, so inshallah I'll try to explain it very simply. It actually consists on only two things, two steps. So converting verbal sentence to nominal sentence, there are some reasons. If you want to put stress on something or you want to emphasis, so this procedure is used. I will give you an example from Quran, inshallah. So what are those two steps? Step number one, you have to bring file in the beginning of sentence. Now you know that in how the file is available in verbal sentence, like file is marfu if it is apparent, if it is hidden or in which is already in the verb, in the past tense verb. So we need to bring it out. So we'll see how we'll bring it out. So we'll bring file in the beginning of sentence, and step number two, we have to correlate mubtada and khabar. This is the important point, because as we know that khabar always follows its mubtada. In what condition? In gender, in number, in Arab. In this situation, Arab is not actually well understood that fail this fail mazi or the past tense. It is marfu, because we will learn it later on, inshallah, that how a fail will be marfu or what are those conditions, inshallah. So we will consider two things importantly. One, we'll consider gender, that it is feminine or masculine, that khabar is following its mubtada or no, and the numbers that we will verify, inshallah. So for example, you have these sentences: daraba Khalidun Hamidan, darabat Talibani Hamidan, darabat Aishatu Hamidan, darabat Nisa'u Hamidan, darabar Rijalu Hamidan. Khalid beat Hamid. Now in this sentence, as you already know that this Khalid is marfu and it is fa'il, and Hamid is maf'ul, it is mansoob. So what we'll do, we will bring this Khalid in the beginning of sentence. So it will be, the sentence will become Khalidun daraba Hamidan. So our mubtada became Khalid. So what we'll now check, Khalid is, it is actually Wahid and it is Mudhakkar. Now this is our mubtada. Now this Khalid is our mubtada, and this daraba Hamidan, this whole sentence became khabar of Khalid. Now we will verify that is it relating with Hamid. This Khalid is Wahid, and what the gender, it is Mudhakkar. So now we verify, is this daraba following these two conditions or no? Yes, daraba is following, because daraba, it is wahid and it is for mudhakkar. It is for mudhakkar. So this one is following. So what is inside now? The file is huwa, which is hidden in daraba, which is representing Khalid or reverting back to Khalid. This is how we explain. And Hamid is maf'ul for daraba. Now we will say that our mubtada is Khalid and our khabar is jumla fi'liya. Jumla fi'liya, now here it is our khabar. So when we already made a jumla fi'liya, jumla ismiya, now all the rules of jumla ismiya will apply. Like if you want to use inna, so we can use inna also. Inna Khalidan daraba Hamidun, lakinna Hamidan daraba, lakinna Khalidan daraba Hamidun. So all these things will be used here, if because now it became as jumla ismiya. Now next is the sentence was darabat Talibani Hamidan. So we moved Talibani in the beginning. Now what happened? Talibani became our mubtada. So now we'll check. Talibani is musanna. Okay, we'll check its number, its adad. Now it is musanna. And it is gender. What is the gender? It is mudhakkar. Okay. So this is our khabar. Now we want that khabar should follow its mubtada. What the changes we have to bring? Now daraba is representing wahid. So we have to change it to daraba. Musanna, daraba, daraba. The file is huma. So now you can see it is representing a Talibani, huma, which is hidden and is reverting back to Talibani. And daraba, it is muzakkar also, because for muannas it is darabata. So our mubtada and khabar, now it is following each other, and our sentence is ready, and we made jumlatul fi'liya to jumlatul ismiya. Now in next example, you are observing darabat Aisha to Hamidan. Aisha beat Hamid. Now we'll bring Aisha in the beginning. Now we'll see, is our mubtada and khabar ready or no? Yes, it is ready, because darabat, it is already wahid and it is muannas. So here file inside, which is representing Aisha. So our sentence is complete. Aisha tu darabat Hamidan. Next sentence, darabatin nisa'u Hamidan. What we'll do here? We'll bring fa'il in the beginning. Now, please check, is khabar following mubtada or no? Darabat is wahidu muannas. No, it is not following, because nisa, it is jam'u and muannas. Now we have to convert this darabat to jam'u. What is? It is darabna. Darabna. Because our khabar has to follow its mubtada. So sentence will become an-nisa'u darabna Hamidan. The woman beat Hamid. So this is how we'll do. We'll bring file. Now next sentence, daraba ar-rijalu Hamidan. The men beat Hamid. Now we'll bring this, because we already understood that this is fa'il, it is marfu. So we'll bring it in the beginning. We'll bring ar-rijalu. Now we'll see what's happening. So this khabar, it is not following its mubtada. So what we have to do? We have to correlate mubtada and khabar. How we will make it? So we need to convert this daraba to darabu, because darabu is actually plural for masculine. So ar-rijalu darabu Hamidan. So this darabu is following from both sides. Like one, it is in adad, and second in gender. In gender, so it is following its mubtada. Ar-rijalu darabu Hamidan. So same, now we can change that. Another thing, this is very important. Now we converted sentence inna Khalidan daraba Hamidun. Now if we want to use lam muzahlaka, which we use for lam ta'kid, so what will happen? Inna Khalidan la daraba Hamidan. This is one point. Said that this lam ta'kid, it will adjust on the khabar. So khabar starting from daraba. So this lam will be lam muzahlaka. Second thing, we want to create hasr. You know, you already studied how to create hasr. So to create hasr, now we'll see this Khalid, and this is mubtada and this is khabar. So in between, we have to bring one pronoun. This pronoun should represent mubtada. So it is huwa. So in jumla ismiya, what we were doing, we were making khabar ma'arifa. This khabar is already ma'arifa. So because this all file, they are understood ma'arifa. So we'll bring only zamir in between, huwa. Khalidun, huwa daraba Hamidun. Khalid, now the translation will become, Khalid is the one who beat Hamid. So you can feel the stress. Khalidun daraba Hamidun, Khalid beat Hamid. Khalidun huwa daraba Hamidun. Khalid is that person who beat Hamid. You know the difference between both the sentences. So that is how we are changing from jumlatul fi'liya into jumla ismiya. Then all those rules will be acting. So Now our sentence is Darabu Hamidan. So in this, our file is pronoun which is hidden inside this fi'il. So we have to bring this file out. What we will do? We'll just remove it from this and we'll bring it here. Hum darabu hamidan. So nothing we have to do extra. We'll just bring out this file. Anta darabta hamidan. Antum darabtum hamidan. Anti darabti hamidan. Antuma darabtuma hamidan. And ana darabtu hamidan. Darabtu hamidan. Ana darabtu hamidan. So when the file is zamir, just bring this zamir out and put in the beginning. Now your sentence is ready because it is already following its mubtada. So there is no need to change anything. So as you can use inna also, innahum darabu hamidan, innaka darabta hamidan, innakum darabtum hamidan. So as we already practiced. Now, in this condition, we have fa'il as murakkab. So daraba sadiquka hamidan. Your friend beat Hamid. Now what we have to do? We have to bring, now we have to first learn which is fa'il. Our fa'il is sadiquka. How we'll recognize? From this marfu condition. Okay. So we will move this in the beginning. Sadiquka daraba hamidan. So we have not to think for anything because our khabar is following its mubtada. Why? Because our mubtada, it is wahid and it is muzakkar. So no need to worry about anything. So in the next sentence, when we'll bring asdiqauka darab, the sentence was daraba asdiqauka hamidan. So your friends beat Hamid. Now we bring fa'il in the beginning. Now our file is plural, asdiqa. This is the plural of sadiqun. Now we have to convert asdiqauka darabu hamidan because our khabar has to follow its mubtada. Next sentence, daraba abuka hamidan. Your father beat Hamid. So simply bring abuka daraba hamidun. Your father beat Hamid. There is no need to change anything. So there are small examples. If anyone want to participate, please come. Okay, Dr. Smitha, please come.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam. Okay, Dr. Smitha, you listen all the lecture?
Yes, sir. No,
okay.
Starting.
Okay.
Missed, I think,
so
sir.
please read the sentence.
Daraba Hamidun Khalidan.
Okay, very good. Now make this sentence into nominal sentence.
Nominal sentence. So our file is Hamidun, sir. So it will come first. Hamidun Daraba Khalidan.
Very good. So if we want to use inna, what we will do?
Inna makes mubtada mansub. So it will be Hamidun. It will become Hamidan. Hamidan Daraba Khalidan.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Next sentence.
Darabu Hamidan. So in this it is hidden, sir. Mustatir, and it is Darabu. It is of plural. They all beat Hamid. So we should make nominal sentence means whom will come. We should take it outside. Whom Darabu Hamidan.
Very good. Hum darabu hamidan. Okay. Remember one thing that this kind of sentence, we will not make it negative. Okay. If we want to make it manfi, we want to use ma. So we will not make it because the reason that normally this practice we are doing just to put stress on the sentence. So when we want to make this sentence negative, we will block this, we will delete this again, we'll make normal sentence as we were doing. Ma darabu Hamidan. They did not beat Hamid. So, okay. Next sentence. Can you make it, Ismiya?
Samyatu Khalidan.
Okay.
They Samyatu. Khalidan. Samia means listening, sir. To
Yes.
listen.
Yes.
So it is. I listen to. It is hidden, sir. So I listen to Khalidan. It is a verbal sentence. So it will be Ana. Ana will, sir. Ana Samia to Khalidan.
Very good. Ana sami'tu Khalidan. Okay. If I want to put stress on the sentence, what I will bring?
Inna, sir.
No. Only simply this sentence. Sami'tu Khalidan. Verbal sentence.
Verbal sentence. We will use kad, sir. Kad.
Very
Kad.
good. And if we want to put more stress, then what we'll do?
Lakad.
Very good.
Lakad.
Excellent. So to make this sentence negative, what we'll do?
Ma manfi. Ma nafi we use,
Ma
sir.
sami'tu Khalidan. I did not hear Khalid.
I
Okay.
did not beat Hamid.
Very good. Okay. Read the next sentence.
Sami Allahu Muhammadan sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Yes.
Allah listened. Allah listened Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Listened to the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
So now make it verbal, nominal.
Verbal. Nominal, sir. The Ismu Jalala will come first, sir. So as it is singular and masculine, muzakkar. So Allahul Samia. Allahul.
No, why hul? Why you are doing hul? Allahu Samia.
Samia, yes, sir. Sorry. Allahu Samia Muhammadan sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Yes. No need to put al.
Yes.
Okay. Allahu
Yes,
Samia
sir.
Muhammadan sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Okay. Next sentence.
Fataha Zaidul Baba. Fataha means to open.
Zaidun nil baba.
Zaidun, yes. Nakira, when al comes, we should use nil. Yes. Fataha Zaidunil Baba. Zaid opened the door. So Zaidun will come first, sir. Zaidun Fatah al Baba.
Very good. Zaidun Fatah al Baba. Good. So next sentence.
Samia Mariamu.
It is wrong. We'll use
Sami'at. It is wrong, sir. Mariamu Sami'at, sir. It should be.
Yeah.
Sami'at. Okay. Mariamu.
You know this sentence can be right in one situation. Okay, I did not maybe tell you. Okay, if I write this sentence, Sami'a Khalidan Mariamu. What I'm writing, sister?
Sami'a Khalidan Mariamu.
In this situation, this sentence is correct. You know why?
No, sir.
Okay, if in between file and fail something comes, then we can use Wahid Muannas or Muzakkar, anything. Both will be correct.
Okay, sir.
What I said, sister?
In between fail.
This is fail.
What?
This is fail.
Fail and file. That is fail.
This is file. Okay.
File, sir.
So in between fail and file, what? Maf'ul.
Maf'ul, yeah. It is in mansub form. Maf'ul, yeah.
Yeah. So the concept is, if in between file and fail anything comes, it is maf'ul or jar majroor or zarf, anything, then you can use Wahid Muannas or Muzakkar. You both are correct.
Both are correct. Okay, sir.
Okay. So how will make this sentence to nominal?
Mariamu Sami'at Khalidan.
Very good. Mariamu Sami'at Khalidan. Next sentence.
Darabu Hamidan. They all, sir, it is repeated, sir.
No problem. You can repeat also.
So they all beat Hamid.
Very good.
Whom plural it is, whom darabu Hamidan.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, miss, next student.
Yes, sir. Alia, please come. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam. Okay, please read the sentence.
شرب الأولاد الماء.
Okay.
The boys drank the water.
Okay. So we want to make this nominal. What we'll do?
There is the fa'il in the beginning, so this is jumla fa'iliya. For making it into a jumla ismiya, we will start with an ism. Al awladu sharibul ma'a. There will be a waw in the end, sharibu.
Yeah, because our khabar has to follow mubtada.
The mubtada, yes.
Okay, next sentence.
Sharibatul ma'a.
No,
I drank water.
Sister, sharibtu.
Yes, Ustaz. Sharibtul ma'a. I drank water. Ana sharibtul ma'a.
Very good. Okay, next.
Tabakhatil bintul khubza. The girl cooked or baked the bread. Al bintu tabakhatil khubza.
Good.
It will become
Al bintu tabakhatil
khubza. Yes, Ustaz.
Very good. Next.
Kasarat tullabun qalaman. The male students broke the pen.
Some students. Tullabun nakira. Some students.
Some students, yes. Tullabun kasaru.
Okay. Now we will do one thing. When we will make nakira as mubtada, we will make it marfa.
Okay. Yes.
Because our rule is mubtada is marfa. There are some limitations that in which condition mubtada can come as nakira. This we will read later on. We'll study later on, inshallah.
Okay, Ustaz.
So what the change will be?
At-tullabu kasaru qalaman. Some of the students broke the pen.
Good. Next.
ظلم الرجال النساء. الرجال ظلموا النساء.
Good.
The men traumatized or tortured the women.
Yes. Or done,
did wrong
or
with
you
the
can
women.
say done injustice, unfairness,
Yes.
Inequality,
Yes.
oppression, oppressed.
Yes.
Basically, the best it will be oppressed.
Oppressed, okay.
Now, because
the men oppressed the women.
Because the thing which you are using, it is too much.
How is that? This word came into my mind.
The word you used, it is too much. Okay. Alhamdulillah. It is happening, but very rarely. It's not happening too much. Okay. Oppression is there, yes. But the other one is too much. Okay. May Allah protect everyone. Okay. Next sentence.
ضرب الأستاذ الطالب الجديد. The teacher beat the new student. الأستاذ ضرب الطالب الجديد. Because it is already singular masculine, so we will not change ضرب.
Okay. In this sentence.
شرح الأستاذ المجتهد درس الجديد. الأستاذ المجتهد is the it is the sifa of Ustad. الأستاذ المجتهد. الأستاذ المجتهد شرح الدرس الجديد.
Very good. It all will become as mubtada. Excellent.
Yes.
Miss Nadia.
Ji, sir.
This student's voice is resembling Miss Muna.
Muna. Yes, sir. Yes.
Am I right?
You're right. Absolutely right.
Allahumma fillaha. May Allah forgive her. May Allah raise her status in Jannah.
That's why I request you, Alia Bashir, that please come and do participate in the Zoom class. So we will be remembering Muna. Because your voice really resembles to Muna Afreen.
She's always in our prayers, Ustaza, and Allah maghfirlah.
Ameen. Okay, next sentence, please read.
نصر المسلمون الصالحون المسلمين الضعفاء. The first one is the sifa of al-Muslimun al-Salihun. So it will be al-Muslimun al-Salihun nasar al-Muslimin al-Du'afa'u.
So this will become as mubtada.
Yes.
And then there is a change. This change you did not complete it.
Sorry, sir. Al-Muslimun al-Salihun nasaru. Yes, Nasarul Muslimin al-Du'afa'u.
Very good.
The Jama'.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So today we learned how to make Jumla Failiya into Jumla Ismiya. So inshallah, in next lecture, what we will do, we'll start our Medina Arabic book. Inshallah, this lecture will be after 3 days. I will try to. And in this lecture, inshallah, we'll correlate. I'll bring some sentences and we'll do some extensive exercise for past tense sentences, because after that we will move into fi'l mudare for the future and present sentence, and inshallah then we'll continue the gap which was actually there. I apologize for that gap. Inshallah we'll try that there should be no gap, and inshallah we'll continue our study. I'm really sorry for that gap. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us, for you and for all. So jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.